Okay. Define init soft. Then nag-obra it soft graph or attributes nga ang value is dictionary. Then define add vertex. May parameters ay arguments nga IP, which is itself IP. Then may condition if IP not in self graph, which is true. Wapakita ka declare it value it IP. Then self graph index IP is equals list. Yes, atong graph is diba dictionary. Then ang IP is stored natin sa dictionary. Ang IP is magiging key, and ito ang list is magiging value. Pag nilagyan natin ng object dito, yung edge, okay. Define add edge sub, which is ang edge is my source, destination, and weight. Then sub add vertex source, ito na siya. I-store na natin. Yung source is as a IP. Ito, as IP. Then sub add vertex destination. Yung IP is ginawa na nating destination. Then sub graph source is ang source is magiging key, and definitions is idadagdag ang definition in weight as a value. Ayan siya. Define get in sub IP, then return sub that graph get, yung gamit try para i-return ro IP minyap nito ro value it IP na inging invoke. Define print graph sub. Okay, yan ro ginatawag natong initialization for IP in self graph. For IP in self graph, i-store na natin yung tanan sa mga sa IP. Then gumawa tayo ng comprehension for and underscore 0 and underscore 2 in self graph IP, which is i-store natin ro key in value iya sa index 0 at sa index 2. Then print natin gamit ro f-string and may function join. Then other print forget ang IP, which is at underscore, which is ito i-declare nyo natin. Then gumawa na tayo ng objects tapos g add edge is ito mga object na atong gagamiton. Object is kunyari ito okay, take na with the wifi. Okay, with the wifi copy. Okay, tapos g.edge add edge okay, copy.
Walang malaman mo.
Read me note. Copy. Okay. That the value ay the weight pala. Weight. Pwede mo natin dadagdag dito sa hacked, which ito buuin natin ro key value, or key value is kunyari is ito, copy na to, copy, then ito. Okay, mag-double tayo ng string, string. Okay. Run. Then, ito. Narrow wait. Haked. Lang. Okay. Show profile. Ito. I-hash natin siya. Copy. Copy. Plus clear. Oops, ano ba siya? Okay. For exploration. Okay. Ayan, tapos. Okay. Tuloy mo natin islang input. Okay. Input. Okay. Input. Okay. Parenthesis. String. Gana yan po. Naka-declare mo tatlo yaro arguments, kaya tatlo ro atong object nga obron 8 age kasi ito arguments age is tatlo, which itself tatlo. Then mga tayong tatlong object ito, same as input. Okay, then input may nating int kasi wait kasi dito int. Okay, int int run. It's never close, sorry about that. Run. Okay, it's never close. Int okay. Input it's never close. It's never close. Okay, kunin na to guys. Mali ako. Never close. Input. It's never close. It's never close. Visit ata. Close. Input option. Input. Input. Okay. Input and input. Ano problema ito? What the fuck? Okay, nagkamaligil ako. And ito, dapat di pwede naka-close clear. Okay, ito, int. Input, okay. Input was never closed. Other parenthesis ulit tayo guys. Kulang ng parenthesis. Yan. Okay. Ay! Okay. Int. Ito. Pwedeng dahil naging error kasi int atong input ay itong butang sa last, which is yung wait. Okay. Manatan gamitin natin int. Okay, gamitin natin int. int. Yan. Gumana siya. Kaso, wala dito. Pero okay na. Basta yun. Wala. Paalam. Paalam guys. Paalam. Paalam, 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 paalam. Paalam, paalam, paalam. Paalam, 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 paalam.